Want to make sure guests, owners, and admin get the right messages at the right time without extra plugins? WPRentals has a built-in tool to manage all your email and SMS notifications, fast, flexible, and fully in your control. Inside the Team Options panel, you can customize every outgoing email, set the sender name and address, add your logo, and personalize the footer. For each email type, you can set registration, booking, payment, or cancellation text, and you can edit also the subject and the message, or you can disable it completely. Leave a message subject blank and the message won't be sent. Emails will be sent automatically in different instances like booking requests, cancellations, private messages between users, and all of these emails will automatically have the design and the content you save in Team Options. Want to send SMS alerts too? WPRentals supports Twilio integration. Just add your Twilio account info and choose which events trigger SMS messages. Use the placeholders available to autofill property details like name, booking dates, guest details, and complete the same SMS that will be sent to each of your users. If your site uses multiple languages, you can duplicate and translate each email template so messages go out in the right language. So whether you run a single rental or a large marketplace, WPRentals gives you full control over how your platform communicates, all built in.